The AI secret nobody is talking about. What if I told you there is an AI secret that most people completely ignore? While everyone is busy talking about ChatGPT, Gemini, and the latest AI tools, a small group of people is using AI in a way that is helping them save time, learn faster, and even make money. And the best part, the secret doesn't require coding skill, expensive software, or year of experience. Stay until the end because I'm going to reveal exactly what it is and how you can start using it today. Welcome back to the channel. If you love AI technology and learning how to use the latest tools to improve your life and career, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification. Now let's uncover the AI secrets that could change the way you work forever. Here is the secret. The people getting the biggest result from AI are not using better AI tools. They are asking better questions. That is it. Most people open AI chatbot and type something simply like write an article about technology. The result is usually average, but experienced users provide detailed instruction. For example, you are a professional technology writer. Create 1000 word article explaining how AI is changing education. Use simple language, real-world examples, and include a conclusion. The difference is massive. The quality of your AI output depends on the quality of your inputs. This is called prompt engineering, and it's becoming one of the most valuable skills in the AI era. Why this matters? Think about it. AI can help you to write content, to create videos, to generate business ideas, to learn new skills, to analyze data, design graphics, and to build websites. But if you don't know how to communicate with AI effectively, you will never unlock its full potential. The people benefiting most from AI are treating it like highly intelligent assistant. They give clear instruction, they provide context, they ask follow-up questions, and they refine the results. Real life example. Let's compare two prompts. Prompt number one. Give me a YouTube script about AI. This is ordinary script, just ordinary prompt. A result is a generic script. Prompt number two is you are an expert YouTube script writer. Create an engaging 6-minute script about hidden AI secrets that can help beginners become more productive. Include a powerful hook, examples, and a strong call to action. The result is much more professional, same AI, different prompt, better outcome. That is secret. How to use this today? Start today. Follow these three simple steps. Step 1. Tell AI who it should act as. Example, you will be professional marketer, graphics designer, YouTube script writer. Step 2. Clearly explain your goal. Example, create a marketing plan for a new YouTube channel. If you are a script writer or marketer, you can say create a marketing plan for a new YouTube channel. Step 3 is specify the format. Example, present the answer as a step-by-step guide. This simple framework can dramatically improve your results. The biggest AI secret isn't a hidden website. It is not a secret software and it is not a new technology. The real secret is learning how to communicate with AI effectively. Master this skill and you will stay ahead of millions of people are still using AI in wrong way. If you enjoyed in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what is your favorite AI tool right now. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.